Are we ready? Mic one rolling. Mic can roll.
Like the bee.
The bee roll. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Munchies Season 2, Episode 3. Today, wow, very stressful. I just got a call from the chef and supposed to prepare the meal for today, right? He's not well. They asked me to cancel the shoot.
Then how?
How could this happen to me?
But the thing is, for me, is the show must go on with or without the food, right? So I managed to dig up early this year the Chinese New Year goodie. So since the new Chinese New Year coming lah, so we want to clear all the leftover lah.
Okay.
So I managed to cook something for you guys lah.
Oh, the Chinese New Year this year or last year one?
This year 2022 lah. So it's about 11 months. Yeah.
Okay lah.
Yeah. So
At least not 22 months, right?
yeah. Anyway, so today we have our guest for today, right? So you want to introduce who you are and what you're doing here, and yes.
Alright, I'm Leonard Tan, 26 this year. I'm here for my blind date, but I think it sounds like the primary reason that I'm here is to help clear Chinese New Year food from this year.
I don't like waste food, so
Reduce, reuse and recycle.
correct.
Yes.
Yep.
So I think I have two missions today. First, to get to know my blind date, and second, to clear food.
More or less with like a vacuum cleaner lah.
Vacuum cleaner can lah.
So basically, Leonard had just signed with us under 6 Production. So he a new up and coming artist. So his direction is actually to be a host,
Correct.
right? So what you think takes to be a host?
I think one must be natural in front of the camera. Yeah.
About this show. So what's your expectation?
Oh, I came in with no expectation.
Yeah. Wow, that's great. That's great.
Yeah. So like whatever comes, whoever my blind date is, 男女老少, okay lah. We just go with an open mind and open heart. Okay.
Right. So today you'll be meeting one of our Cinderella girl.
Wow.
Okay. So looking forward.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, great. Then we'll be back very soon with the other date. We should be arriving in about 2.5 months' time. Well, I need two months to cook, ma.
I can't wait lah like that.
Must slowly boil.
Slowly boil, huh?
Must slowly boil. Okay. Okay, we'll be back very soon when the girl is here. Bye. So we are back. The blind date is here. We'll call none the other, our Project Cinderella winner. Woo! This morning actually I boiled herbal soup lah. So yeah, so later you can try my soup. Yeah. But that one you drink tonight be careful lah.
Egg blur live long.
True. Anyway, just introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Venus. I'm actually the winner of the recent project called Project Cinderella. Yeah, then I'm here to be at episode 3 for the dates.
Let's get munchy lah, dates.
Let's get munchies.
So you want to look forward to your date?
I look forward to your food.
Ah.
Okay lah, both lah.
Those people out there, you can date me, I can cook for you also. Okay, so this is my...
Fast forward to February, please.
So now, I will bring your date to meet you. While I'm still continuing, I need to go kitchen and start preparing the final touch. My final touch with love one.
Wow. No, why look like money instead?
I know lah, must like sprinkle, you know. And we are back. So the first dish that I serve is actually my double boil ginseng herbal soup.
Ginseng.
Yeah. I boil soup 不是 run 的嘞。
Not can one ah.
This episode will be his first and his last lah. He will not appear in my show anymore.
I don't know him.
It's hot it's very hot.
Not too bad. Yeah, it's just nice for me. How about you?
I love it. It's very sweet.
Just because now you want to get back to my show, is it?
No. As in, really very light and refreshing. But I would prefer the ginseng taste will be stronger.
Yeah, it's really, because I thought like it's always a in between when it comes to ginseng, so very too strong or very bland. But I think this gives a bit of aftertaste. You can give a recipe.
Okay, 因为我三餐才要。
Wow, but I'm looking forward. I love salmon. You love salmon?
Actually, no.
cannot lah. If it's the real date, minus point already. No common interest. Okay, the thing about dating a girl, right, is that you must follow her likes first. Pretend also can.
That's why I'm single. Fun fact, I don't eat sushi as well.
At all? Oh my god, my favorite cuisine is Japanese leh. Bye bye. Go first.
Cut short.
And that's the end of episode 3.
Not all blind dates are successful. This is life. Bye.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we are back. So apparently, what you see is what you get, huh? So within 2 hours, I managed to cook a salmon head. I grilled the salmon head. I have not tried yet, so I don't know whether it's tasty or not because normally it takes at least a couple of hours to really sit in. But I only have 2 hours, so I sprinkle some salt, some pepper, and put to grill. So I don't know whether it tastes nice or not. Okay, if you look at the salmon, right? So I have 2 kinds of salmon. One is pepper and salt. The other one is I melt the cheese inside.
Inside?
Yeah, that means I lay the cheese, then let the cheese go in. See, so it's a cheese salmon, so later you guys can try. Okay, the last one, you see a very, very long thing down there. It's called the crab stick. Okay, so the crab stick, I understand that, I thought women love long, but you're telling me that you don't like, right? And the sauce, I also make myself. You see, so you can see this greeny sauce down there, right? Okay, so let's let the guy do the honor.
Okay.
So you want to cut a little bit of salmon, let's try.
Sure.
I thought you'll give the boss first, but okay lah.
Ladies first.
Oh, I'm gonna try the cheese one. I'm looking forward to the cheese one. I never heard of cheese seeping through the salmon before.
Oh, I always love things to slip inside.
Stop it.
Oh, I behave.
A few minutes later.
Right.
So this one is salt and pepper, so I try the salt and pepper. Okay, the good part of the salmon, if let's say you grill well, right, it's actually the skin.
Oh, like crispy?
Yeah, the skin must be crispy.
So I should leave the skin for last?
Huh? No, I must eat the skin now.
Chef follow, must say follow.
那 skin 冷的就不好吃了，硬。
that's true. Wow, ASMR.
Okay, not bad. But if I sit a little bit longer, it will be better.
But I mean with the time constraint lah.
Yeah.
It's quite good for a 2 hour thing though.
Yeah.
Like expecting 6 hours out of it. That's not bad.
I actually don't really like salmon, but this is okay.
Just because you want to get back the next episode, is it?
Maybe 5 episodes trying very hard. yeah, but because I don't really like salmon because of the fishy smell. The salmon.
Yes.
Some salmon has very strong smell, but it's okay.
Actually, the best is when you sit in 6 hours, right? Then you need to squeeze a lime. But I couldn't find lime just now. So the lime will able to cover it over.
Right.
You see?
Gives it some acidity as well.
Right, correct. But like I said, I only can make use of whatever I have.
Never tell me on my way here. I think got the lime.
你现在可以去 plug 吗？
累了。
来，我现在是吃那个 cheese 的。
哇 the skin.
I think the cheese tastes better.
哇
Right.
it mix well with the skin.
And the cheese it does not overpower the fish. So that's very important.
Right.
Yeah. Just nice.
Okay, so now we do the chip.
Okay.
Too soft already.
那我拿不起来。
shaking?
Okay, now we will try this. 哇，因为我看到里面。
Yeah, the thing I like about like salmon cheek is that the bones are all very big.
But this is not salmon, right?
This not salmon.
Oh, sorry. Saba? No.
Goldfish.
So big.
Yes, I love the fish cheek as well. Yeah, it's juicy. There's black pepper, so it's young. And then the fish oil is like
It naturally lets it shine by its
yeah. The fish oil plus the olive oil is a good mixture. After this, can I have a human cheek?
One human cheek.
Why? No lah, not for consumption. To kiss.
Oh wow.
Okay, this one going to sound very weird. It's a first date, huh?
Yeah.
If you go out on a first date, I say I love cheek because I want to kiss.
It's your cheek.
I think the person will say, Grab, come on. You can pick me up now.
Where's my grab?
Yeah, where's my Grab?
12 seconds later.
I love this.
Try to put subtitles for that. I'm quite curious to actually see that. HSMM.
Wow, you look at the meat.
You try turn 360.
How you think my hand what can turn 360?
New talent, what? I help you find new talent. Wow, but I usually don't eat crab meat one. I'm eating it because of you.
Huh, really?
Yeah. Oh, wasabi. Wow, it's strong.
Strong, right?
What's the sauce?
Secret. I tell you how to kill you.
Eh? My
But,
secret
okay.
is no secret.
But at least the sauce kind of like, because the crab stick is very 没有味道嘛, very plain,
true,
right?
yeah.
So that's why I purposely made that sauce to go over it. So now it tastes a little bit better.
So you balance the
Yeah, it balances it. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Quite nice, right?
But just crab stick.
Okay, so basically fish head, right? You have to see, the best part is actually this part.
The cheek.
The cheap part, right? So,
Ooh.
the salt and the pepper going quite well. Okay, this one I add a little bit garlic to cover,
Like garlic powder.
yeah, to cover
Fishy.
the fishy taste lah. So, of course, if I'm able to soak longer, right, I think it tastes nicer.
I feel like I'm on a food critic show more than
Food demo.
like food watching.
So this is hard.
Let's get watching.
So I taste.
It's live mukbang.
Yeah. My YouTube is here.
Yeah.
好吃哎，真的不错。
有 bone
Yeah. Which fish no bone?
Which head no bone?
Yeah, which fish no bone?
I don't like bone.
Yeah. Actually not bad but you don't want to dig yourself no, because if you go and take another head,
Oh, you touch already.
take this part lah. This part I never touch ma.
Touch the apron and back already.
Okay, then you take new one then you share with him.
You can choose one and then you can eat first.
I'm very scared of the bone.
But the bone should be.
When the date, you always answer and help the person straight away.
Correct.
Which head no bone? Okay, yeah.
I have a knife here.
Thank you.
Why I feel like I become the guy?
It's 2022.
Gender equality
Yeah.
or gender switch. Yeah, almost done already.
Okay, fish head you see like that, right? But actually there's a lot of meat hide inside one. So 你真的要用手去扒、去杀、去lick
To deconstruct the head.
Correct, you see. So fish head 真的是这样吃的。You know, if you want to take chopstick or forks, right? 你真的里面东西吃不到。You were not able to go deep to eat the rest of the meat inside. So you have to use hand to eat. Okay. So again, alright. So this is not a Korean drama, so we cannot drag too long. So anyway, what do you think about the food?
I mean, it's simple, but I think it's a good enough for. I think it's healthy, definitely for sure. So it's a good for me, for a small eater, I'm actually eating quite a lot than the usual. So actually very healthy and very nice, just nice for me.
How? 2 hours? Okay, enjoy.
Yeah, for a 2-hour cooking.
Very good job. And I think it's nice that we started off from this salmon steak to the fin here, lighter tasting. Then we went on to the wasabi sauce and the head with the garlic. So it was a nice course of meal. And we started off with that very light tonic ginseng soup.
Yeah.
So I think it's wonderful.
So I start off the soup, then of course followed by this salmon. Of course, I'm the dessert lah. So, actually, how much will we pay for this? To be honest.
If let's say one piece, that definitely at least minimally $15 to $20, depending on of course depending on whether I'm at a cafe or a high-end restaurant. Yeah.
I'm about there also. I think maybe about 20 to 30. Yeah, because head is very expensive at those kind of restaurants that they sell dishes. Yeah.
But I think it's a blessing in disguise that the chef is on MC. That we get to try your cooking really.
What PR skills?
Very good. Okay, because I love to cook over the weekend, that's why I love cooking, and I love cook for my friends also at the same time. So that's why I enjoy cooking. I feel that cooking is an art, right? You must enjoy cooking, and you must enjoy watching your friend eating at the same time. That's why I always have this tagline: food brings friends together, and that's very important.
Like how you bring us together lah.
Okay, so yep. If no more question, and I'm glad that you guys enjoy the meal that I cooked for you guys today. Which now that actually tried my cooking before.
Yeah.
We are the first.
Right, so again, thanks for coming down for Let's Get Munchies Season 2, Episode 3. So we have one more episode to go. So watch out for our next episode. So what's gonna happen next episode? The chef recover? The chef not recover? Or the chef run away? I do not know. So we will see what happens in the next episode. If let's say this episode I go and cook, right? I will cook some steak.
Oh, I want to enjoy that one lah.
Okay, there we have it. Okay, thank you for coming down. Thank you for watching us. Okay, so we'll continue eating while you guys go and grab food or whatever. Okay, bye bye. Yay.
But this is the first time I've seen such a long crab stick. I thought crab stick always short one.
Japan.
Because this one's the...
Japan have evolved.
Oh.
Last time Japan very short. But now Japan has evolved.
Okay.